Hello mga troopers and friends of amateurs. We're now taking the MRT from here at the Guadalupe station going to Trinoma. There's also an MRT station there. We're gonna meet my friend. I'm actually at the Guada Mall in Guadalupe and there's a computer shop right there just near the escalator if you want to print something or... oh wait. And this escalator goes up to the train station where you can buy your ticket and board the train going to Quezon City, or if you want to go to Pasay. So I'm going to Trinoma. This is the train station here in Guadalupe. There's one train arriving now. We'll take a train going to Trinoma. It's quite full because it's rush hour. One train. This is when the two trains exactly meet. The one point here. It's the ABS-CBN tower right there. So you have just the direct light at Quezon Avenue station or GMA coming in. Finally reached the North Avenue station here. And yeah, this is where you can find Trinoma. And Avida is also being constructed here. It's an Ayala development. If you want to ask about that, you can definitely contact me. You can drop by my YouTube channel, real estate YouTube channel. That's Cebu Bohol Homes. That's one word. Oh, kira. Okay. What? Here. Here. So Trinoma is actually Trinoma means Triangle North of Manila, and it's a mall development by the Ayala Group. That's why you can find here Sada, their hotel arm, and also Avida of Ayala. So my troopers and friends of amateurs, this is a mall development by Ayala here in Quezon City. So this is called Trinoma. It's one of the upscale malls actually in Metro Manila. So there's a car there. If you want to buy a car, it's for Swift. And it's like the a famous area here, like an atrium, a popular meeting place for people who want to come here to Trinoma. I'm gonna find my friend now. Here on the ground floor, you can find KFC, McDonald's, and of course Landmark there. On the upper floors there are cinemas, and there's also Yellow Cab on the next floor. You can take this escalator. So Garden Restaurants Concierge and North Car Park going to the left, and you go just go straight. If you go to Mindanao Car Park, Customer Lounge, and the VI Pinoy Lounge. This is in the food center supermart of Landmark, just beside Trinoma. So we're eating at Wendy's. So there's Greenwich also. Hello. I finally met my friend here, Ren. Hi, Ren. Welcome to YouTube. This is the food center here at Landmark, just beside Trinoma. So you'll find a lot of stores here, and you see it's well interior. There we find Wendy's. These are the choices you can have at Wendy's. They have chicken, burgers. Of course, they have a healthy choice also. Yes, it's garden mix at 132 and 45 for a smaller order. And meal deals, the steak and the frosty desserts. There's also French fries and macaroni salad. So that's why I like it here. There are several options. We're taking our order now. This is the garden mix from Wendy's, and the steak, frosty, and Mr. Helio's macaroni and chicken. Hello mga troopers and friends and amateurs. Welcome to Wendy's. Hello mga troopers and friends of amateurs.
Welcome to Starbucks here at Glorieta 5 and in Makati Business District. You see a lot of developments by here. This is the Starbucks.